Hey guys, this is Ghost, the freelancer. How are you all doing? And for today, I am going to work on another hit app. This one should be easy. It is identify yes or no Q&A queries. En. This is an easy head app. All you have to do is to determine if the query is answerable with a yes or a no. So let's dive into this. So first query is, can you give money for a bridal gift? That's a yes. Who is the father of Mindy Kaling baby? That's a no. It's not answerable by yes or no. Uh, is First Financial Bank a national bank? It's a yes. What do grandmas like? It's a no. Please judge the nature. Okay, is AMC Theater down? It's a yes. Is all information stored on the hard drive? That's a yes. Well, is going to be easy. What would prevent autosave from working in Excel? That's a no. How to make manifest love or how to manifest love? It's a no. Was the presidential election rigged? No. Oh, I'm sorry. That's a yes. Okay, I got one mistake. For the quali, did people used to smoke in airplanes? It's a yes. Okay, we pass it. Again, the name of that hit was identify yes or no QnA queries. That pays around 0.02 cents. Not too much hit, but during this dry season, um, we have to work on these hit apps. Again, my name is Ghost, the freelancer. You can join me in Facebook. Our group name is Click Worker and Ghostly Hitters. For you to be able to join, please answer the relevant questions and do not forget to subscribe to our tutorial channel. Also, if you have any recommendations or suggestions, please leave them on the comment fields below. Have a good day and thank you for watching. Bye.